Stay until it's late, sweet like chocolate cake, tart just like the shit I roll off paper plates. Search for sweetest. What is happening, my dogs? My name is Madison and I am the auction dog, and today we're at the auction and there's a really cool car out there that I kind of want to highlight a little bit and just bring to the channel because I've been waiting for 2 years or maybe a year since these came out for one to come through an auction and get the chance to drive one. So without further ado, let's get right into it, dude. Dude, there it is, dude. Oh man, I've been waiting for one of these things to come through the auction. I really have. Dude, so good. So good. MK5 Supra. Damn. With a brake caliper. Dude, that's so sick. Oh man, they're just as good looking in person as you think they would be. You know, like the shape of them is very, very good. It's like the 2/3 ratio. It's really set back. I like the duck bill that's like more formed into the actual bodywork of the car. So sick. Dude. So sick. And I'm really hoping the keys are inside of here. Let's see. Oh man. Sonny. Yes. So sick. Okay, I'm gonna drive this thing. Let's go bring it to a little area and do some montages. Dude, so overall, the interior fit and finish is really good in here. Like really good. Everything feels really nice. These are like metal. All the AC vents are metal. Like, dude, the build quality of this car is exceptional. All carbon there. This is beautiful. Like, dude, the seat is good. I don't know why that leather's all stretched out like that. And you'd think that it's weird. It's a weird styling to you from outside when the roof has these bulges, but it actually supplies a lot of roof or headroom there, which is sick, dude. But man, this car is so good. It's literally so good. It's so good. And like, it's weird, it tells you the hood's open. Okay, we got it, bud. You know? And this, I feels, the only thing that does kind of feel like BMW is the iDrive system that's in here. It's virtually the same. I don't know if it's very close to other Toyotas, but either way. Dude, this thing is so sick. It's so sick. And I noticed something earlier when I was looking through it. That, oh fuck. That I thought was real dope too. Was this. Inside of there, look at that. It's got a wrapped oil filter, little air compressor gauge, or it might be a whole compressor, tow hook, but it's tight that it's like all inside of this nice little package here. You know, like these are factory. It's just sick, dude. Just so sick. So well done. Better than I thought it was going to be tenfold, you know. And like this is sick too, the tri-projector headlights. Son, it doesn't get much better than this. B58, just so you don't forget, you know. But or is it B58? I think it's B58. B58 TU, I think. I'd have to look at the exact engine code, and I'll put that on the screen for you. But dude, wow, dude, so good. So incredibly good. The only thing that's weird is when you're sitting in there, it feels like obviously the hood is quite long, but it is because you're sat way back in the car. But dude, just as good as I thought it was going to be, by far. You know, they did not undersell that car. Not even close. Man, and I love the body lines of it. I love the way it's shaped. I love this. How it comes up and over the freaking thing, wraps right into the wing. Factory little duck spoiler in there. It looks very exotic. You know, it doesn't look Japanese at all. It looks quite exotic, actually. And I love the rear window shape. How it goes into the roof line like that. That's just so nice. So nice. Styling cues are so good. But, man. Wow. Overly impressed. Definitely. So glad that came through here. So freaking glad that thing came through here. Honestly. So happy I got to drive that car. I've always wanted to drive one of those. And I've been waiting for a long time for a freaking MK5 Supra to come through the auctions. Today was the day, Sonny. Freaking hey. Let's get the hell out of here. Maybe drop a comment down below. Let us know what your favorite aspect of the new MK5 Supra is. And maybe consider subscribing. This is my E46 M3 right here. I am a dealer down here in South Florida, and I pretty much specialize in buying and selling enthusiast vehicles. So we buy a lot of BMW, Hondas, different kinds of cool cars, and I just really never know what is gonna come through my door. So we got a really big year coming up in 2023, and I'm really hoping to blow it out, and hopefully you guys wanna tag along. So peace out, my dogs. Thank you guys very much for tuning in. I hope you have a good rest of your day.